Here I have Porsche Panamera 4S, and let me show you how to enable or disable the line keep assist feature. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. From the home screen, you need to navigate by using the left bar. Let's select here the assist, and under assist, you've got access to this view. From this view, you can enable or disable the line keep assist. As you can see, this is this switcher. So basically what it does, the system uses cameras to monitor road markings. If you begin to drift out of your lane without using a turn signal, the car will gently steer itself back to the center. So all you need to do, you can just tap the icon to enable or disable this steering intervention. I highly recommend to have this enabled. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.